Okay, so I'm making this video to showcase my class's project here. Lovely pneumatic, prosthetic arm. Now of course it's made of all Legos, so it is just a model using two 9-volt battery packs in the back. Many of Lego's pneumatic pump sets linked together for 3 actual pieces that require action. One being the center console here. Let me show the viewer. The wrist will turn side to side using a very standard Lego joint. And then if you move down a bit, it's pumping pressure right now. You can see this lever I've added just to color code it for the kids, so it's easy for them to explain to the judges tomorrow. Throwing the lever forward, it's going to release one of the main pneumatic pumps and of course lower the arm, like so. Bonk. So that's the first bit of action. Here we have the robot arm lifting. It's currently holding a water bottle, and we've got it on this lazy Susan to show off. So of course it can spin while holding things, making it a very high utility device for veterans, people in need of a prosthetic arm, and a couple simple 9-volt battery apparatuses to get things going. The LED lights right here, nice little touch. Pretty cool. You can throw the switch. They've added a switch for those as well, and the release valve for the hand. Very practical. And that's that.